Thinking about picking up a new band for your Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra 2? Stop right there. In this video, we reveal what you must check before buying, comparing official and third-party options to help you choose wisely. Starting off our list at number 7, we have the Ultimal band with case. This all-in-one protective strap system is designed to provide full-body rugged defense and athletic styling for Samsung's high-end 47mm smartwatch. Constructed from flexible, shock-absorbing TPU paired with a durable matte black protective bumper, this setup shields the watch frame and display edges against direct impacts, scuffs, and heavy outdoor wear. Precision cutouts ensure unhindered access to the quick button, digital bezel, and optical sensors, while the breathable, sweat-resistant strap maintains a comfortable, secure fit during intense workouts. In real-life scenarios, the elevated bezel lip effectively protects the glass display when brushing against rough surfaces, and the dual-tongue buckle prevents accidental detachment. Compared to single-piece competitors like the Spigen Rugged Armor Pro, Ultimal offers a more aggressive outdoor aesthetic with enhanced corner cushioning at a highly competitive price point, making it ideal for outdoor enthusiasts, tradespeople, and athletes seeking maximum daily protection. Next on our list is the OddBY Sport Band. Designed for users seeking a lightweight, waterproof, and highly breathable strap solution, this band is crafted from soft, skin-friendly silicone featuring multi-hole ventilation channels that drastically reduce sweat buildup and skin irritation during workouts. Precision-engineered quick-release lug adapters ensure seamless installation onto the 47mm watch housing, while a double-pin buckle lock guarantees that the watch remains firmly anchored to your wrist during water sports and extreme activities. In real-life testing, the flexible silicone conforms comfortably to various wrist sizes without pinching, and the waterproof material cleans effortlessly after exposure to dirt or salt water. Compared to expensive stock options like the Samsung Trail or Marine bands, OddBY delivers nearly identical tactile comfort and secure latching performance at a fraction of the cost, offering exceptional value for athletes, swimmers, and everyday users. Moving on to number 5, we have the Anlinser No-Gap Band. Engineered to transform Samsung's rugged smartwatch into a sophisticated executive-style timepiece, this bracelet is crafted from high-grade, corrosion-resistant stainless steel with a sleek gray titanium finish. It features custom seamless end links that fit flush against the watch case without unsightly gaps. The smooth inner metal surface resists skin irritation, while the secure double-folding push-button clasp prevents accidental opening during daily wear. Wrist sizing is straightforward, using the included link removal tool to accommodate wrist circumferences from 6.7 to 9.4 inches. In real-world testing, the color matching complements the titanium watch housing exceptionally well, elevating the watch for formal environments where sporty silicone bands feel out of place. Compared to costly official titanium bracelets, Anlinser delivers comparable metal aesthetics and locking security at a budget-friendly price point, making it strongly recommended for professionals seeking a classy dress upgrade. Coming in at number 4 is the Narides Rugged Nylon Band. Built to offer a lightweight, breathable, and highly adjustable strap upgrade, this band is constructed from high-density woven nylon fabric and features a custom one-click no-gap adapter that snaps cleanly into the 47mm casing without requiring extra tools. The continuous hook and loop closure mechanism allows for precise micro-adjustments, ensuring a tailored fit across any wrist size while eliminating the pinching associated with traditional pin buckle designs. In real-world daily scenarios, the soft woven texture wicks away moisture efficiently during intense exercise, and the snug fit keeps the watch sensor firmly aligned against the skin for noticeably improved biometric tracking accuracy. Compared to stock Samsung Trail bands or rigid silicone alternatives, Narides offers superior skin breathability and all-day comfort at a fraction of the cost, making it an outstanding choice for runners, hikers, and active daily users. At number 3, we have the Tlselt leather band. Designed to transition Samsung's aggressive, outdoor-focused smartwatch into a refined vintage-style timepiece, this wide-body strap is meticulously handcrafted from premium top-grain leather with hand-burnished edges. It features rugged, dual-row stitching, reinforced lug ends, and a heavy-duty matte black stainless steel tang buckle that perfectly complements the 47mm casing. Engineered for all-day comfort, the exterior delivers a classic field watch aesthetic, while the soft, breathable inner lining prevents stickiness during long workdays or travel. Precision quick-release connectors allow for effortless tool-free installation while locking securely onto the watch lugs. In real-world daily scenarios, the leather breaks in quickly, molding to your wrist and developing a rich, unique patina over time without sacrificing structural integrity. Compared to stock silicone straps or hybrid fabric bands like the Samsung Peak Form, Tlselt offers far superior formal versatility and handcrafted leather aesthetics at a much more accessible price point. Taking the runner-up spot at number 2 is the Littoid magnetic metal band. Engineered to upgrade your smartwatch into a modern, executive-style piece, this metal loop strap is crafted from high-grade stainless steel with fine polishing and a nano-plated finish. Custom no-gap adapters lock flush against the 47mm casing for a completely seamless look. Its key design highlight is a powerful N52 magnetic clasp, integrated into a tool-free adjustable solo loop, allowing users to achieve an exact, micro-customized fit without dealing with links or mechanical buckles. In real-life testing, micro gaps between the metal weave provide surprising airflow and breathability, while the magnetic latch holds firmly during daily desk work, meetings, and casual outings. Compared to stock silicone options like the Samsung Marine Band, LETOID delivers far superior formal elegance and magnetic convenience at a competitive price, making it highly recommended for professionals wanting a refined metal upgrade. Finally, rounding out our top list at number 1 is the Ultimal rugged TPU and metal watch band. Designed to provide a heavy-duty, athletic replacement strap solution, this hybrid band is engineered with flexible, high-grade TPU material paired with 316L stainless steel connector hardware and a sturdy double-tang metal buckle. This combination shields your watch setup while ensuring maximum retention during extreme outdoor activities. Underside airflow channels prevent sweat buildup and skin irritation during workouts, while the custom no-gap lugs snap securely into the 47mm watch body without play. In real-world daily scenarios, the black plus silver color combination matches the rugged titanium aesthetic of the Galaxy Watch Ultra, providing comfortable all-day wearability that cleans easily after exposure to water or dirt. Compared to stock Samsung silicone bands or basic third-party straps, Ultimal offers superior connector durability and ventilation at a highly accessible price point, making it the ultimate recommendation for athletes and outdoor enthusiasts. Which Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 band are you rocking on your wrist right now? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the description links to grab yours today. Thanks for watching.